Hello friends, I am gonna tell you a very interesting tool today which will help you in making quizzes within seconds. For that you have to log into Quizizz, Quizzizz, quizzes.com, and as soon as you press the return key, it will take you to this screen. For the first time when you log in, it is definitely going to ask you to sign in. So sign in with any of your account. As I've already signed in, so it is not asking me to, it takes me directly over there. Now here you can create a quiz. Select this option, create a quiz, click on this and it will take you to this screen. Over here you select your subject. For example, I'll select English and I'll give a name. Say I give the name as tenses. I want to conduct a quiz on tenses. Select next. As soon as you select next, it will take you to this screen. Now from here, either you can add a new question of your own, or this is the most interesting part of quizzes. Select teleport, click on this and it will take you to ready-made quizzes. From here you have to just read the question and select the question. Maybe like I want to add this question, so click on this add. I want this question also, so I'll click on add, and over here you can see the questions are being added. You can scroll down and see in case you want any other question and so on. Maybe I want this question now. You can go to some other now quiz from here, and then when this quiz comes, it will show its own questions. You can select a question from there. So these questions automatically get added over there. Now when you come here, click here, back, you can add a new question also of your own, just like we've been adding in the forms. Say multiple choice question. Now here I will type, maybe say I'm asking, cat is a proper noun, right? And the answer options can be, say maybe I'm asking just yes, no, and then here also below every question there will be some time given. You can increase or decrease the time depending upon which class you are conducting the exam for, and then save. Can you see this, how colorful automatically it is organizing the questions? Here again I have to also select the correct answer. Say I say no and save it. So this question also gets added in your quiz which you had just created by adding the other questions. So here the quiz is ready. Now you have to come to this part of the screen. Add an image. Click on this. You can add any image which you have saved on your desktop, or maybe you can take it from the net and then save it on your desktop and select it from there. So here I have one image. I'll just select the star because right now I have only this image. Select a language, select the grade for which you want to conduct. Say I want to conduct it for class 5, and then whether you want it to be publicly visible or privately. Let's select publicly visible only and save. Now here once you have saved, your quiz is ready. Nothing more has to be done to this quiz. Now what do we do? Here you have to select done. Once you have selected done, see your quiz is ready. Now what do we have to do? Just you want to practice it first for yourself. You can click on this practice, say play, and wait for a few seconds. The quiz will start playing. Here the quiz starts and automatically it has made a colorful quiz for yourself. We had just selected the questions. Click on the first option, play quiz, and how the students will be looking at the quiz will come on the screen. So here it will just take few seconds depending upon the speed of the network, and it also has very nice sound and music also. See here it is coming. The computer dashed slowly since we installed the new operating system will run. So the answer is wrong. It gives you the answer also side by sides and some messages. Then next question, it is also giving the score of all the children, those who are participating. Then I'm just randomly selecting any answer. just to give a view as to how this quiz will be conducted. Then next, the third question, I'll select bot. All questions coming wrong because I'm not reading, I'm just randomly selecting these questions. And then this. So these questions have come. It's saying slow down, you have time, 30 seconds for every question. Keep clicking and you'll be taken to the next question. So no, oh, I got one answer right. So this is how the quiz is going to appear with the children. But now how will the children work on this quiz? So let's go back and see. Save and exit. Now how do we do this? So you will go back to your quizzes by going back, and then it is, you have to go to the first screen. So here is your quiz. Now how will the children play the quiz? You have to click on play live. Once you click on play live, continue, and the classic option has to be selected. Click on continue and this screen will appear. Now the children can open another tab on their laptops or mobiles, like this is how we open a new tab. So they can also open a new tab, and in that new tab they will type joinmyquiz.com, and once it asks you for the game code, this is what they will enter. Once they have entered, you can ask the children if they are ready, then you can just click on start and start the quiz. As it says no, currently there are no players, so it's not clicking. End game, and we will come back to this. Similarly, here my quizzes will show you all the quizzes which you have created, right? And when I say create a quiz, it is, these quizzes are available for almost all the subjects. See, mathematics, physics, chemistry and so on. I'll enter biology, and here say I enter photosynthesis. See, this ready-made quiz has come. As soon as I'll press next. Okay, so teleport is the option from where you're going to select new questions and the already stored questions. So keep selecting and your quiz gets ready. And friends, how do we see the records? So you'll click here on reports. It will show you the name, whatever. Say I want to see the report of this quiz. Click on this HTML. It will show you the names of the students and what are their scores. Right? So the children can also, you can also show the scores in the class. Now here we also have some ready-made quizzes. I'll select on find a quiz, and here say I enter, I want to search for HTML, a quiz on one language, and as soon as I press the return key over here, it will show me the quizzes which are already there, right? I can sort here by most relevant, most played, most recent. The grades can be selected for which class and subjects, and also you can select from here number, questions, whatever. This all you have to do according to your own choice. So these, and just simply play live again in the same manner, continue, and here you can use the ready-made quizzes as well.